Nestled on the outskirts of the city of Eldoret is Turbo Girls High School that played host to the 15th Annual Education and Leadership Congress. Scholars in the North Rift gathered here for 3 days of mentorship to unlock their potential, guided by select speakers. Equity Group Foundation Executive Chairman Dr. James Mwangi impressed on the scholars to work hard in school to achieve a purpose-driven leadership in their lives.
For every 10, only one got the scholarship. And that happens to be you. It will be sad for us to have built a bridge and you fail to use the bridge.
Dr. Mwangi emphasized on the importance of discipline and determination in achieving success.
Like the principle of gravity. Throw it up and it will come down. Fail to work hard and you fail in your exams. Your dreams, however big, are valid. And what the mind can conceive, the body can deliver.
The Principal Secretary for Education, Dr. Belio Kipsang, lauded Equity for its enduring commitment to youth empowerment.
As government, we say thank you because from the private sector, you've come out to partner with government. Investing in young people is investing in the future. Equity Foundation, the government of Kenya, has come in to support you because you are our future.
Dr. Kipsang underscored the significance of mentorship programs, which aim to mold students into future leaders capable of tackling the challenges of tomorrow.
The destiny of your family is in your hands. Other than your own destiny, the whole family and the whole village is looking up to you. So you've been given that opportunity to guide all of us going forward.
The Congress also featured accomplished mentors who shared their journeys and offered invaluable advice.
There are many who would have loved to be where you are. There are many who would have loved to have mentors like the mentors that you have. Don't waste this opportunity. I assure you it only comes once in a lifetime. So please, give it your best shot.
Equity Group Foundation organized the Congress held under the theme, Educate, Empower, Lead, the Triad to Success.
I'm an incoming freshman at New York University in Abu Dhabi, that's in the United Arab Emirates.
I'll be joining the University of Toronto in Canada this fall, and I'll be double majoring in economics and international relations with a minor in global affairs.
20 years ago, I was at your level. Currently, I'm the Director of Advocacy at Equity Group Foundation.
This is the very best time for you to choose your path because you get to discover what you're very good at and you make strong that part. And then what you think you are weak at, you work double the time.
The Turbo edition of Congress was among many others held across the country in partnership with Mastercard Foundation, the Ministry of Education, the World Bank, the German government through KfW, and other partners.